Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and some good vibes is a must. Look at that curry chicken right there. Oh. So here are my ingredients. You have some boneless chicken right there. I will link the video down below of how I debone it. So let's jump right into the video. Let's season. Here I'm going in with some all-purpose seasoning. You can use chicken seasoning if you want, your Maggi, whatever, right? And then I went in with some garlic and onion powder mixed together, and then next I'm going in with some salt, and then of course we don't want to leave our green seasoning, our blended seasoning. I will link those videos down below as well. And oh my goodness, the star of the curry show, yes, some Better Pack curry powder. Come through, Better Pack curry powder. Listen, use your favorite curry powder. Mine is Better Pack curry, right? So yeah, now we're going to combine. Just try to mix up everything and get it all over there, all over the chicken, which is very easy because there's no bone in this mug right here. So yeah, now I'm just looking at it and I'm eyeballing it like, too white. We don't like white curry over here. So yeah, add some more of that luxurious curry powder. Go ahead and rub it up, mix it in. And if it look white again, guess what? Add more curry powder because we're not dealing with no white curry. Look there. Look at the close-up shot. Looking good. Looking so good. And you know, if you're going to cook it, not put it down for some hours. But yes, Vibes fam, here we have it. Here we have this delicious, well, raw delicious boneless curry chicken. Look at it, thoroughly seasoned. But thank you so much for watching, Vibes fam, and for hanging out with me. Go ahead and click the thumbs up button, share the video with somebody, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you. God bless you.